Cat and Fox were buzzing with excitement as their city adventure approached. The night before, they carefully laid out everything they might need for their trip. Cat, ever practical and organized, started with a roomy backpack. She carefully placed her favorite scarf, a notebook for sketching city sights, and a tiny umbrella just in case it rained. Fox, curious and energetic, packed a camera to capture every moment, a detailed map of the city, even though he loved getting lost, and a pouch of snacks for both of them to share during their explorations. They debated which shoes to wear. Cat preferred comfy sneakers, perfect for walking long distances, while Fox insisted on his lucky red boots that always seemed to bring good fortune. Next, they gathered their travel essentials, train tickets, a small first aid kit, and reusable water bottles to stay hydrated. Cat checked off each item on her list, making sure nothing was forgotten, while Fox double-checked the weather forecast and tucked in a pair of sunglasses. As the sun set, their bags stood ready by the door, packed with care and full of anticipation. Together, Cat and Fox went to bed early, dreaming of city lights, tall buildings, bustling streets, and new adventures waiting just beyond the horizon.